everyone, so I am going to be starting a new project pan. This one doesn't really have a theme, it's just a rolling project pan. Now, me being overly ambitious when it comes to project pans was immediately like, let's add more things. So I picked 10 products out, but I thought, you know what? This isn't gonna work. Not that 10 products is a lot of products, but I had pretty good success with my Finish 5 by Fall, which was actually 6 products. So I know 2 products from that I'm going to include. And then the other 3 or 4 products, I thought that I would randomly pick out of a basket and just do like a mini project pan roulette within this. And then I'm not guaranteeing that that's going to stay as an element as I continue this rolling project, but I just thought initially anyway. So I'm rolling over the True Match Lumi highlighter from Elle, which was in my Finish 5 by Fall, which is almost done, but I'm just really planning on cutting it open and getting as much out of there as I possibly can. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, which I use as a contour, Mink, which has very little left in there as well. Very little, very, very, very little. But I wanted to roll those over from my Finish 5 by Fall so I could finish those up. So those are two of my project pan products. So I don't think that the True Match Lumi is going to take me very long, like I said, because I really have to cut it open to get more product out of there. And I like mixing it with things though, so it may end up stretching the life of it a little bit. And the contour stick, like there's not a lot of product in here, and I generally use this for filming because it's a darker contour, but I find that I need that on camera because I just get really washed out by the lights and everything else. So I'm just gonna reach in here blind and pick. I can feel what things are though, so I just have to like kind of like be like a claw machine and just go right in and pick something up. I have the Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in the shade Fair. So this is a pretty good option. Now my choices in here are all kind of like liquid and cream kind of things because I wanted to be able to mix them with other products as well and not just have like a bunch of standalone things or just things I can use in conjunction with other products. So again, claw machine, right in and out. The Shu Uemura Glow Creator. This is the base and top glow boosting cream. So it's a little similar to the MAC strobe cream, but I never liked it as much as that. That's like, this got recommended to me by a makeup artist at a Shu Uemura counter in a Nordstrom's because she said it was better than strobe cream. In my opinion, it didn't end up working that well for me, but I kept it because it was expensive and I really want to use it. So I think I can probably also mix this with other products as well. So this is Pure Glow, and it's really hard to tell because I can feel it, but I can't directly see. So I think I have right around here, right around where the word glow is in the pink font. So I'd say a little less than half of the product remaining. So I'll squeeze out a little bit so that you can see what it looks like. I think I accidentally squeezed it a little too hard. So it's just very similar. It's very liquidy, and it's just like that kind of glowy sort of base kind of thing that you can mix with foundation or layer it with foundation or on top or whatever you want to do. So I will mix that with like the different concealers and foundations I have to create combinations for my makeup. I have the Benefit Highbeam. This is the highlighter, so many people have probably seen this before. This is good because once I finish the L'Oreal one, then this can kind of take over. I think it's pretty similar in color. So I swatched it kind of on top of the Shu Uemura, but you get the point. It's very pale and shimmery, and I think that I can end up mixing a few drops of this with concealer as well. So that is 5 things, but I am gonna pick one more. I'm gonna probably call it a Project 5 pan, but it's really gonna probably end up being a 6 pan. I have the Makeup Forever. This is the chromatic mix. It's the oil-based white mixer. So this is generally used for mixing with like foundations and those sort of base products. Cashmere, hey, stop. So this is oil-based. This will be good mixed with a few of the products I have, like base kind of products. I don't really think I have anything dramatically darker. Excuse Cashmere, she's rooting around her food tray right now. Do you want attention, honey? When I try to snuggle, yes, I know, okay, come over. Come here then. Come here. Oh, baby, come here. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Attention? Yeah? Don't worry, I love you. I love you so much. I'll give you kisses when I take my lipstick off, okay? Oh, baby, hi, I love you. Oh, you poor thing. Sorry, I don't remember what was happening there. I just had to give Cashmere some love. She's very needy when I'm filming. Hold up. Yes, I know. I'm almost done, okay? Sorry. So yes, the Makeup Forever Chromatic Mix, the oil base. I have used this before to mix with foundation and concealer, and I will use that the same way. I can't tell how much is left in here, but I don't think there's a lot. This is pretty tiny, but a little goes a long way, so I wouldn't be surprised that this is hanging on for a long time, because I generally would only use like a drop, maybe two, so that's why it's still kicking. I think this is a pretty good combination of products. So I have the Glow Base, which I can use kind of on its own, layered and mixed with things. The L'Oreal True Match Lumi and the Benefit Highbeam, which I can use sort of the same way, mixed with things. The Too Faced Concealer, which will be a layering thing to kind of create some sort of like natural kind of base, since I don't have a whole lot of foundations. I have 2 foundations left. This will probably be another thing mixed with sort of concealer. I've been creating these sort of base cocktails with like moisturizers and concealers and just highlighters and whatever I can come up with for like day-to-day kind of use, where my base products are so low right now. So these will all work together and I can create like Frankenstein's monster with this. And then the contour stick, which is great. So it's my filming great contour shade. So I don't think that this will hang on too much longer as long as I keep using it. And I think this is a really good assortment of products to start this out, to see how it goes, and then kind of incorporate other products that might be a little bit more challenging as time goes on. But I really want to work through some of these products. I don't have a whole lot lingering still, because I've either decluttered or finished a lot of my cream liquid type products. So the ones I have remaining, that'll kind of be my focus, and then maybe I'll factor in stuff like eyeliners, and maybe even just making goals for powder products, which would be the next thing to just sort of like rotate things around. But I feel like when it gets to that point, the rolling project pan will stop, and I will do more like the consistent shop your stash makeup basket kind of style stuff, because I feel like that'll work better so I don't get bored and I'm able to rotate through my stuff. So anyway, I'm pretty happy with this, how this turned out. I really enjoyed my Finish 5 by Fall project, so if you haven't seen that finale, please go and check that out. Let me know if you'd like to see other kinds of panning content and what you would like to see. As I mentioned in that Finish 5 by Fall video, I don't think I'm going to take on any big commitments for the rest of this year, but in 2021, I definitely want to do some more stuff again with eyeshadow. 2020 has been a year and a half, and I just needed time, and I needed a break from a lot of things, and things that I had started ended up getting derailed because of the personal stuff that was going on. So I do want to bring it back again. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or anything at all. I really appreciate and value your feedback so much. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really, truly appreciate it, and I hope we get a chance to chat soon. Bye for now.